Hello everyone, and welcome to the very first section of our Python for Beginners course. Are you excited to start this journey? Drop a comment below. In this quick lecture, we're going to answer a fundamental question. What exactly is Python? Simply put, Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language. Let's break down what each of those terms means, as it gives you a great understanding of Python's nature. First, high-level. This means that when you write Python code, you are writing it in a way that is very close to human language, like plain English, and far away from the machine language of ones and zeros that the computer actually understands. This makes Python incredibly easy to read, write, and maintain. Second, interpreted. Unlike some languages like C or C++, which require a separate step called compilation before they can run, Python code is executed line by line by an interpreter program. What does this mean for you? It means you can run your code immediately after writing it, which speeds up the development and testing process immensely. Now, let's talk about some of Python's other key characteristics. Dynamically typed. You don't have to explicitly declare the type of a variable, like integer, string, etc., when you create it. Python figures it out for you at runtime. This adds flexibility. 2. General purpose. Python isn't limited to one area. You can use it for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scripting, and much more. It's truly a versatile language. 3. Open source. Python is free to use and distribute, even for commercial purposes. This has fostered a huge, supportive community that contributes to its development and creates an enormous library of resources. To summarize, Python is a friendly, flexible, and powerful language that makes programming accessible to everyone. That wraps up our overview of what is Python. Next up, in Lecture 1.2, we'll dive into the question, why should you choose to learn Python? See you there.